Hi guys, it's Yasar Raja here. Today we will be introducing this car vacuum. See, normally I had a problem with the car vacuums. Whenever you buy a car vacuum, they don't work properly, or they don't work as good as normal house use domestic vacuums. So this time I bought this better one. So we're gonna unbox it and show you how it works and give you the review. So when you go next to buy one, you will have an idea, and you will not waste your money. Normally you buy one, you read the reviews on Google. They are quite good, but whenever you start using it, it doesn't work properly or it doesn't suck. So this is the box. What do we have in the box here? So this is the extension, and it has on one side it has this brush, and other side will probably go inside the machine. So this is the machine itself. See, it's called Beldray. So it's rechargeable. All the information about it on the machine. So this is the charging port, so it's the kind of wireless stand-on charging. The power button, and this is probably to exit the vacuum bag. Well, I don't think it has a bag, it has this small pocket here. And see, this is the filter. It's going to have this filter inside, so you can just empty it. You don't have to replace the bag or anything. So you just dust it inside the bin. This is the stand which you use for charging. It just goes in the stand like we're gonna, it's probably like that. It will go straight into the charging port. See, it doesn't sound too heavy as well. See, this is the charging adapter, which will go in the back of the machine. So this is the carpet suction cup. Now we will take it outside in the car and we'll show you how to use it. I think when you open it, it's going to have some charging, so you don't have to charge it straight away. But if you do need to charge it, you can just charge it before you start using it. So let's go outside. See guys, rather than going outside, we tried this section here on the carpet. My review is the failure. We're not going to use it on the carpet in the car because it's probably more dirty and have dust inside. And they will probably say, oh, we're not going to take it back. I'm going to return it. I bought it for £50 and the section is terrible. It's not sucking anything. Try on this paper. See, this paper is not very heavy. It's not sucking anything at all. So it's a total failure. Don't waste your £50. I bought this from Asda. And £50 is a lot of money. Normally you can buy probably one for about £20. Nah, I don't think, well, you know, I don't think it's sucking anything. If you suck this paper, and if it drags the paper towards it, I think that will, now see, even on the turbo mode, it does suck on turbo mode, but not as good. I will still take it to the car, yeah, I will show you there, so and probably help you more to decide. See guys, as you see, the carpet is quite dirty. We'll press the turbo mode. Okay, this is for the turbo mode, yeah. Try to clean the carpet. Oh, yes. And see, with the turbo mode, it starts making more noise, but it probably makes about 10% difference in the suction. See, as you see, it's not picking anything at all. If you're cleaning the dashboard, it might work. even from the dashboard, yeah, it's only dragging the loose bits. It's not doing any. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. See these small bits here, little chips and stones. Okay, it's dragging, but not to the expected. The money you paid. I don't think it's worth it. So guys, don't waste your money, and see you in the next video. So guys, in the end I'll show you another machine. I had this RAC machine. I bought this for £20 from Halifax, and only I was going to change it because of this one doesn't have a charging. It's not cordless. You have to plug it into the cigarette lighter thing. So let's try this one. So if you compare both of them, the £20 and £50 doesn't make any difference. They both work the same. So just use the normal machine you have for your house use. So don't waste your money on these vacuums. See you later.